All right, Tesla fam, let's dive into what Tesla is worth today and why it's such a game changer in the market. Tesla's market capitalization, or market cap, is over $1.24 trillion as of now, making it one of the most valuable companies in the world. This value is determined by multiplying the total number of Tesla shares by the current stock price, which is hovering around $394 per share. But what makes Tesla worth so much? It's not just about the cars. Tesla is a leader in electric vehicles, renewable energy solutions, and cutting-edge technology. With its lineup of sleek EVs, including the Model 3, Model Y, and the upcoming Cybertruck, Tesla is reshaping the auto industry. Beyond vehicles, Tesla has diversified into energy products like solar panels and power walls, enabling homes and businesses to transition to sustainable energy. Their AI innovations, such as full self-driving (FSD) and ambitious projects like the Tesla Bot, also contribute to its massive valuation. Tesla's worth isn't just financial, it's about its mission to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. And that's something that resonates with millions of fans and investors worldwide. And be sure to check out the link in the description to find out ways to upgrade your ride even further.